working on it's the U-line ice maker. We got it torn apart here. We're gonna taking the whole ice tray, trying to clean this up. It's got a lot of corrosion in it. So it's got a little tube there, you see, that goes down, and then this thermocouple slides down inside of it, and then it's glued on this base. You can see the bottom here. I've chipped a lot of that stuff off. So I got to find something that's similar to that to glue it back down with, because this thing has the refrigerant passages that run through it that cool that, freeze the ice cubes. So we've got the whole control mechanism all tore apart. There's pieces of it here. Motor. Here are a couple of photos of what the control module looked like when I was taking it apart. I didn't get a chance to get some video of this. And I'm cleaning up this plate here where all that motor and everything was everything was rusted like that. So I'm cleaning all those parts up. So that's what it looked like before. I'm going to clean it up and paint it. You can see here, that's our bus Wanderlodge serial number, the last 5 digits of the serial number of our bus. It's the back side. The tube was broken, the water tube that fills here. This is the other side of that thermocouple, comes down and it goes to a temperature control that you can adjust from the back. This thing, the tube was broken inside here, so it was leaking all down in here. So let's see if we can't try to clean that up a little bit. Get this, hopefully this, we know it cools, it just doesn't cycle. And I think it wasn't cycling because, so this is the temperature monitor for cycling. And it is glued onto the side of here. And it had let loose. So I think because of that, you know, it wasn't sensing the, you know, when the ice cubes were frozen and cycling. So I'm hoping if we glue it back on there, it'll work again. These two are these are a heater loop in the bottom there. That heats up to release the ice cubes. So it heats this whole thing enough, and then the ice cubes get, you know, melt a little bit, and then it ejects them. But we're going to try to get it cleaned up and working again. We'll see. Here's a picture of the defrost switch. I managed to get one of these on eBay. And this is the model and serial number. I know it's hard to see. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for part 2. Thank you for those who subscribe. I appreciate the thumbs up. If you want to be notified when a new video is posted, click below on subscribe and also click the bell. Thank you.